$347 million bought. One transaction. What does it really mean? It means that there is organizations and individuals that firmly and fundamentally believe in crypto, and they're buying in at these levels. And that's really the narrative. That's really the story. That's really what I want you to understand. So when you're sitting there and you're like, how do I feel about my $5,000 or $10,000 or $1,000 that I have invested in that asset over there? As long as it's a good asset, as long as it's a good project like Cardano or, or Bitcoin or, whatever it may be, right? You should feel pretty good about it. When you look at, like for the average whale holds $6 million worth of Shiba Inu as an example. This is not a SHIB video, but my point is that there's always somebody who has more on the line than you or me. And that's what I always kind of think about. I always think about that when I'm looking at what's going on with crypto and the overall landscape and the SEC and all this kind of, doom and gloom that we tend to get every now and then. We're early. Okay. We are early. You're early. If you're watching this video right now, you're early. You are here. And yes, there's going to be rough waters, but I always come back to what are other people doing? And I'm not saying that like you should only do what other people are doing. I'm talking about look at that individual or that organization over there that has, for example, $347 million new dollars worth of Bitcoin bought. Now, again, even if you don't care about Bitcoin, it's still, you need to look at it in the larger narrative of crypto and the larger narrative of how much money is in it and how much a lot of people have put into this market. So with that, crypto markets are in shock. They really are. Yes, I know the crypto market's down today, but that's not the point. The point is, look at what people are putting in. Look at what's going on. $347 million worth of Bitcoin bought. And you probably know who did it by now. It's MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor bought 12,333 additional Bitcoin for $347 million. I mean, again, going back to my opening statement, that's really what I want you to understand. They like the price level of Bitcoin right now, at say 30,400, plus dollars, right? 347. They've just bought another 347 million, right around, for the right around current price targets, if you will. Michael Saylor, founder of MicroStrategy, recently shared this news through a tweet highlighting the ongoing accumulation of Bitcoin. Man, craziness. Okay. So let me see here. According to the latest details, MicroStrategy added 12,330 Bitcoin to its reserves for an additional $347 million. So as of June 28th, the firm holds 152,333 Bitcoins. I can't talk today. They have over $4.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. $4.5 billion at current valuations, right? $4.5 billion. So out of this number, 590 billion, 4.5 billion of it, is owned by MicroStrategy. That is impressive. Go back to my opening comments of this video. That's impressive in that vein. Okay. He said, look, Saylor seems adamant about his Bitcoin choice despite the ups and downs and a loss. The business is long-term oriented and has no immediate plans to sell its Bitcoin. Okay. All I want you to walk from this video from is just pay attention to what is going on. Pay attention to the narrative out there. Pay attention to the talking heads that are talking bad about crypto and they're slamming crypto. Why are they doing it? Who is it? What is their interest in talking bad about crypto or putting it down or whatever it may be? Always do your own research and don't get emotional about what's going on out there. And always come back and remember something. Remember that, for example, MicroStrategy has 152,000 Bitcoins worth $4.5 billion. You think they believe in it? By the way, MicroStrategy is a software company. The CEO obviously sees inherent extreme value here. Whales owning average of $51 million in each of their in the top 100 Ethereum wallets. Each of them holds about $51 million worth of Ethereum. Always pay attention and don't let them run you out of crypto. You're early. Remember that. Okay. Is there going to be rough waters? You bet. Is there going to be issues in the future? Yes. Crypto is still in its infancy stages, and there will be ups and there will be downs. But stay true to yourself, stay true to the vision that you have for you in crypto, and don't let them run you out. Always come back and go, hey, that Michael Saylor guy's got $4.5 billion worth of this stuff and still is buying, has bought an additional 347 million. That's all I really want you to understand. And if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button, because I'm here for you every single day. I'll see you. Go make some money.